This red lentil dal curry kit makes a great side dish. I've tried to make it super easy by including all the key ingredients. You just need a few extra fresh bits and then we can cook it together. Wash the lentils in bag 4 in 2 changes of cold water. Place them in a pan with 400 ml of water and half a teaspoon of salt and bring to the boil. Remove any froth with a spoon and simmer until cooked. Squeeze between your fingers. If the lentils are soft, they're ready. In a frying pan, heat the oil or ghee and add bag 1 and a fresh chilli pierced with a fork. When the seeds sizzle and become fragrant, remove the chilli and set to one side for your garnish. Add a finely diced onion and chopped garlic and fry until lightly browned. Reduce the heat and add the chopped tomatoes, grated ginger, chopped chilli and bag 2. Let the ingredients cook down over a low heat for about 10 minutes to make a thick masala paste. Pour the masala into the cooked lentils and stir together. It should have the consistency of a thick soup, but if it's too thick, just add a little boiling water, or to thicken, just leave it to simmer. Check the seasoning and adjust if required, then stir in bag 3 and the chopped fresh coriander and a fried chilli to serve.